Day 91 it is as we start off week 19. And this is going to be the last week for us taking signals. Going to wrap the whole thing up in 20 parts. So the last part will just be finishing off any trades we got left open. Really try and make a push at the finishing line. We haven't got anything tonight, but our trades are in the blue, which is quite good to see. CAD Swiss franc returned away from the stop loss. That's encouraging. Not great on the Kiwi yen, but that does mean it was okay on the CAD yen. Nice cover. And finally, not really much to say about the euro pound. And finally, not much to say about the euro Great British pound. Last few days have really been hovering around this price zone. So we'll leave it there. 4 days left to be taking signals. Hopefully they do start cropping up. Wouldn't mind getting a couple more down. See how it looks tomorrow. Day number 93, we are back after missing day 92. CAD Swissy managed to get some push out of that. Trading stop loss now guaranteed for $579. So should see a win on there, even though that swap keeps adding up at 246 currently. New Zealand dollar yen, still hanging around. CAD yen, yeah, pushed a bit against this. Doesn't look too promising there, but still in it. And euro pound, dang, this came close to the take profit. Let's have a look on the 30 there. You can see the big drop this morning. The push down came within about 7 or 8 pips or so, but we ain't there yet. Still work to do. Open trades currently $1,000 up overall, and we are just going for it this week. So we got 5 pending trades to get down. Let's get rolling on the euro New Zealand dollar first. It's a sell against the euro. 0.68 lots on that sell stop order. Sub trade 8, let's get at it. $1,100. We've called it 1% of 110,000, and it's going to be the same for sub trade B. Here we go. We are in. Trading stop loss, and let's move on to the next one. New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. It's a buy trade, so another one in favor of the New Zealand dollar. This time going against the CAD. We are going against the CAD with the CAD Swiss here and going in favour of the CAD with the CAD yen. So this one's a bit of a wild card being thrown into the mix. Buy stop order, 1.24 standard lots on the volume. Sub trade A, add it again. And sub trade B, not much difference. Just of course, so we are getting that trading stop loss in. 1,200 points, 120 pips that is. Yes sir. Let's move on to the next one. Pound yen. Selling off the pound. Carry us there, Elder. Yep, another one goes down. $1,100 thereabouts once more. Sub trade B, never getting tired of these trades. No doubt it needs that trade and stop loss. Let's move on to the final one. It's the pound US dollar. This one is going to be a real stretch to get in because it really did recede from the low. And see what a push down it had on the 30 minute and then right back up it comes. So yeah, real long way to get into the trade, but we're liking those signals, so let's get in there. Let's see it in the flesh. Yeah, I mean, from where we are to get to the take profit, 2.5% drop. It's been there before, not too long ago either, just a couple months ago in June, so it's feasible. Just might take a while to get there. Let's get subtrade B down as well. Can't forget subtrade B. Trusty old subtrade B. Let's see. Ready, set, go. Those are some interesting trades. Not giving too much thought to them, just getting in there. So we could be adding a lot of trades in the coming days. Although, as we said, some of these are a bit of a distance. None of them really on the cusp of getting in there. Euro New Zealand dollar is actually, could definitely see us popping into that one pretty sharp. 24 hours time, we'll know a lot more than we do now. Alright. Day 94, kicking it off on the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. Stop loss did trigger. Let's have a look. Yeah, there you see it. Pushed right up, and we really didn't take a lot in the end from here. Expensive swap, so subtrade B only $284.90 to finish. Other than that, fairly mixed. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, still in that range. Same for the CAD yen. Euro pound, this was poor after we came so close yesterday. Now it's really gone in favour of the euro, the exact opposite direction we want, because we are selling the market. Then for our pending trades, Euro New Zealand dollar, this went against us. We'll get rid of it. It's a bit of a push back there, so let's get that one gone. There it is. Same for the New Zealand dollar CAD. Big drop here, and we needed the push to get in. So let's get those gone as well. We'll keep the pound yen down. That is heading in the direction to get into the trade. And the pound US dollar, we got into this one. Again, it's a sharp drop on the pound. Same as what we saw in the euro Great British pound pair. Yesterday it pushed towards that low, but came right back up. Today it wants to commit more to that move. Hopefully some bigger drops to come there. So we've got 4 active trades, 8 sub trades, and 1 pending. There's no new signals tonight, so only 1 day left for the chance to get some. So we can squeeze another one out of it. Day 95 it is, the final day for taking signals, and we are sad to say there are no new signals tonight. Really wanted to squeeze one out, but nope, not the case. So let's just round off these trades. You can see the yen ones, New Zealand dollar, yen, CAD yen, really not moving too much. It's been par for the course for those ones. Meanwhile, euro pound, yeah, nothing really today. The big push against us was yesterday. Still waiting to see what happens next here. Similar on the pound US dollar, this one a little bit to our way, but not enough for us to really take notice. We'll keep our pending trade going as well. Great British Pound, Japanese Yen did move a little bit against where we'd want it to, but still not much in it. We'll see how that goes. But that is it for our trades. We are just going to see these ones through. For now, let's have a look at the journal. It is our penultimate journal before everything is rounded off in the final part. Pound US dollar, euro pound. In terms of closed trades, just the CAD Swiss franc there, making that a little bit, pushes us a bit higher. And it does mean that we should be guaranteed profit here, because even if all of our 8 sub trades go down for about 1,000 each for 8,000, we still have thereabouts 1.5% plus on the account. So that is good news. We know we are going to be in profit. It's just how much profit it'll be. Euro pound, pound US dollar could easily balance each other out. But we'll have to wait and see. Pretty pleased with how it's gone. Let's get over that finishing line. Home stretch now.